When the waters rise again and again, it's not just homes that drown, it's dignity, stability, and the hope people cling to. Pero ngayong araw, sa Cebu, may leader na muling nagpakita, hindi ko kayo pababayaan. And today, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. personally launched Oplan Kontra Baha, isang operasyon na hindi pang press release, kundi pang totoong buhay. This is Tomas on Air, and this is News in Focus. Sa Mahiga Creek sa Mandaue City, PBBM led the inspection personally. Direct, decisive, walang pinabayaan. 8 major waterways were cleared and dredged simultaneously. Mabilis at diretsong solusyon. Totoo, matagal na ang problema ng baha paulit-ulit at nakakapagod sa lahat. Pero ngayon, may malinaw na pangako na may aksyon, may pag-asa at may malasakit. Walang solusyon kung kanya-kanya lang. Kaya buong bansa ang kumikilos. Ngayon, ramdam ng mga taga Cebu. Salamat po, Pangulo. May aksyon na talagang nakakatulong. Unity in Action, LGUs, DPWH, DENR, barangays, and private sector, guided by experts, building Sabo dams together. Hindi lang ito linisin natin. Ito ay ibalik ang natural flow, iwasan ang overflow, at protektahan ang mga susunod na henerasyon. The government admits this should have started long ago. But now, it's preventive, not reactive. For Cebuanos living in fear each rainy season, today is the day someone says, enough, we will take action. At ang pinakamalakas na pahayag ng Pangulo, Cebuanos, monitor this project until August next year. Ibig sabihin, kayo ang mata, kayo ang lakas, kayo ang bantay ng progreso. At ramdam ng mga tao ang pasasalamat at pag-asa. Hindi lang para sa ngayon, kundi para sa bawat bagyong darating. Flooding isn't just an engineering problem. It's a test of dignity, of resilience, of hope. Ngayon, with Oplan Kontra Baha in Cebu, may liwanag, may direksyon, may solusyon, at isang bansa na sama-samang kumikilos, buo at hindi matitinag. If you want grounded, calm, and human-centered breakdowns of national stories, this is Tomas on Air. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so we can make sense of moments like this together.